Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the shape border style in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open our Photoshop document. Now you can see change border style in Photoshop. Now you can see then I show the shape border. Then a shape border, change the style. Now going to the shape layer option. Now click from mouse right button and click from blending option. Now you can see now I show the new interface. Now click from stroke option and select from fill type. Now click from color. Now click from pattern option. Now choose from pattern. Select. Now click OK. That it's. Now you can see just change the border in shape in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.